Hey everybody, Frugal Farmer here. This is towards the front of my property, and you see I lost this tree. It may still stay around for a little while. It's got a limb on it, but normally when they get heavy like that, they don't last long. Heavy on one side. You can see where I've got on the other side. This is a pretty big tree, and I've probably lost 30 oak trees this size or better here in the last 30 years, I guess. And but I'll have plenty of firewood. This is be some good wood too. Still getting rains, intermittent winds, and looky-loos going by. Nobody's pulled up in my yard. I've got no trespassing sign because I just don't want to be bothered. And they hadn't known me since grade school. If they aren't RSVP'd, then I don't want to talk with them. So we're still without power. I'll be without power for a while. My transformer's down. Thanks for stopping by. Come back again when you will. Share, comment, like, hit that subscribe button. God bless.